Good evening, friends, and welcome to your short and sweet 10-minute flow. My name is Robyn, and I will be guiding you through tonight's sequence. So, tonight's flow can be done on your mat or in bed. We're going to go ahead and get started lying on our backs, and we will be staying on our backs for the entire flow. So, if you're not here already, we'll come down and get started. Hands down by the sides, legs relaxed long. We'll take a moment to get in touch with the breath. Draw the breath in through the nose. We feel the chest rise. Fill the belly with air. And exhale, let it go. We'll do this once more. Big breath in, a little bit bigger than the first one. And exhale, let it go through the mouth. We'll go ahead and draw our right knee towards the chest. You can clasp the hands just below the knee over the shin. Pull the right knee in towards the chest using your arm strength. Shoulders away from the ears. Elbows in tight to the sides. One more exhale here. See if you can hug the knee in a bit tighter. And we'll bring the right leg back down. Switching sides, hug the left knee in towards the chest, clasping just below the knee over the shin. And we use our exhale to hug the knee in a bit closer. Drawing the breath out as we hug the knee in, elbows stay in tight to the sides. And let's bring the left foot to the floor. We'll bring the right foot beside it. Let's cactus the arms. So we'll bring the elbows even with the shoulders. Wrists even with the elbows. So we're in a goalpost position, and we'll let the knees fall towards the left. Gentle twist here. We let the head fall towards the right. And you're welcome to take the right leg over top or however feels better for you. If you'd like to deepen the stretch. Great stretch through the hips and lower back here. An area that can get tight from how we sleep. And bringing the head back to center, roll the knees, hips back through to center, and let the legs fall to the right side this time. So again, you're welcome to wrap the left foot over the right knee if that variation feels better for you. And then we let the head fall towards the left side. Gentle stretch for the neck. One more breath here. And roll it back through to center. We'll take both feet up towards the ceiling, coming into happy baby. So you're welcome to grab just above the ankles, or you can grab outsides of the feet. As we pull down on the feet, we push the tailbone into the floor. Sometimes this is a bit more accessible in bed. So if you're sinking down, just still try to think about pushing the tailbone down, flattening the back here, deepening our stretch through the low back. You can rock side to side a little bit if you'd like. And placing both feet back down into our bent leg position, coming into our figure four. So we'll take our right ankle over the left thigh. You're welcome to stay here if you're already feeling the stretch through the right hip. You can take your hand and gently press the right knee away, or you can pick the left leg up. We'll grab behind the left thigh or over the left shin. And we'll stay here for 2 to 3 breaths. We send our exhale to the right hip, telling it it's okay to relax. And let's place the left foot back down on the ground, right foot beside it. We'll cross our left ankle over the right thigh as we pick our right leg up this time. So you can grab behind the thigh, over the shin. This is one of those stretches. Sometimes one side feels tighter than the other. So that's okay. And similar to our happy baby, can continue to think about pushing the tailbone to the floor as you pull the right leg in. And we place the foot back down, coming into our banana. So we'll bring our legs long and slightly off to the right side. So you can start by bringing the right leg off to the side of the mat. We'll bring our right shoulder up and over a little bit closer. So we're already in a bit of a banana shape. And left arm comes up and over the head. You can let the left wrist relax in the right hand. Then we cross our left leg over. See if you can keep the back flat on the floor. Come over to a place where you can still keep the back touching the ground, but you can feel the stretch down through the left side body, through the left hip, maybe a little bit into the shoulder. And from here, we'll switch sides, slowly coming out. Uncross the left leg. You can bring it all the way over to the left side. Cross the right leg over, and we'll bring our left shoulder a little bit closer to the left. And right arm comes up and over the head when you're ready. Once you settle in, we just focus on the breath. See if you can think about letting the position do the work. All you have to do is breathe. One more breath here. And exhale, we slowly unwind back to center. We uncross the right leg as we meet in our Shavasana. Let the palms fall to the ceiling, feet relax to the sides. Maybe you shake the head, few times as we get ready to put aside the rest of our day and get ready to wind down. No need to think about any worries from the day as we go into our sleep with a clear mind and we reset for what the new day is going to bring. As we started, let's go ahead and take 2 deep cleansing breaths to finish up. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, let it go through the mouth. And one more time here. Deep breath in through the nose. Sip in a little bit more. And exhale, let it go. Feel the lungs empty as we get ready to rest for the night. I hope you're feeling ready to sleep. From here, you can just turn off the video and go to bed if that's best for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Namaste.